To invest in Digigold through Fampay, you can follow these steps. Research Fampay and Digigold. Familiarize yourself with Fampay, a financial technology company that offers digital banking services for teenagers, and its partnership with Digigold, a platform that allows users to invest in digital gold. Sign up for Fampay. Download the Fampay mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store and sign up for an account. Complete the registration process, which may require providing personal information and verifying your identity. Set up your account. Once your account is set up, you may need to link it to a bank account or load funds into your Fampay wallet to facilitate investments. Navigate to the Digigold feature. Inside the Fampay app, locate the Digigold feature or section. This is where you can explore and invest in digital gold. Understand the investment process. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions, investment options, and fees associated with investing in Digigold through Fampay. Take note of the minimum investment amount, pricing, and any additional charges that may apply. Select your investment amount. Determine the amount you wish to invest in digital gold and enter the desired investment value. Confirm your investment. Review the investment details and confirm your purchase. Ensure that you have sufficient funds available in your Fampay account or linked bank account to cover the investment amount. Monitor your investment. Once you have invested in Digigold, keep track of the performance of your investment over time. Familiarize yourself with any storage or redemption options provided by Digigold through Fampay. Stay informed. Stay updated with any market news, updates, or changes in the Digigold investment landscape. Familiarize yourself with the process of selling or redeeming your digital gold investment if you decide to do so in the future.